Hello everyone, my name is Zamre Rishikesh Shankar and today my topic for daily task is introduction of pharmacovigilance. In pharmacovigilance we see the definition, objective, why pharmacovigilance is necessary and aims of pharmacovigilance. First of all we see the pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance which is derived from two words, that is pharmakon and vigilia. Pharmakon is the Greek word, it means that the drug, and vigilia is the Latin word, it means to keep watch. The simple definition of pharmacovigilance is to keep watching of the drug. Now, pharmacovigilance is defined as, according to WHO, pharmacovigilance is the science and activity related to the detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of adverse drug reaction. Now, detection means the detection of ADR. Assessment means assessment of adverse drug reaction or estimation or evaluation of adverse drug reaction. Prevention means the early prevention of ADR, and understanding means the understanding of ADR, why ADR is occurred. Now we know that any drug which produce the two type of effect, that is desirable and undesirable. Desirable effect which are good and undesirable effect which are bad effect. Undesirable effect which are again classified into two groups, that is expected and another one is unexpected. Now we see the what are the objectives behind the pharmacovigilance. The main objective of pharmacovigilance is the reduction of frequency and severity of adverse drug reaction, and improve the patient care and promote the safe use of the medication. Now, why PV is necessary? The in that, first of all we see the humanitarian concern. For humanitarian concern, PV is necessary. Safe use of the drug, adverse drug reaction is expensive, promote the rational use of the drug for ethical concern and ensuring the public confidence. So the pharmacovigilance is necessary. Now, what are the aims behind the pharmacovigilance? The main aim of the pharmacovigilance to improve the patient care and safety of the patient, improve the public health, promote the education and clinical testing, early detection of unknown safety problem, and identification of risk factor. Now we see the minimum criteria for reporting. In that, first of all the identification of patient, identification of a report at least one adverse drug effect and suspected medicinal product. Now what should be report? In that, first patient details which include the name of the patient, address of the patient, gender of the patient, and contact number of the patients. And in reporter details we need to fill the name of the reporter, occupation of the reporter, adverse drug reaction, contact number. And in suspected medicinal product, the brand name of the product, dose, frequency, and which route we have to taken the drug. And adverse event, the date of onset, outcomes, and what are the symptoms they are occurred. Now some examples of adverse drug effect. We know the biggest tragedy in Bangladesh, the paracetamol adulteration, Alflame pharmaceuticals, which are the syrup which taken by the which are taken by the adult person, and about 76 people which are killed due to this adverse drug effect. This event which is occurred in 1990 in Bangladesh. Now, another biggest tragedy of thalidomide. We know that the thalidomide drug which are introduced by the pharmaceutical company. In that, thalidomide is the biggest digester in the world. About nearby about 46 countries used the thalidomide drug in 1950 and 1960. In that, the thalidomide which produce major side effect in pregnant women who take the thalidomide drug. Generally nearby about 1000 children which born with disaster like pneumonia, and also thousand of miscarriage which is happened during the thalidomide tragedy. This is the one of the biggest tragedy produced by man-made. So the adverse drug effect which are very harmful for the human being. That's why the prevention of adverse drug reaction which is very necessary. So the pharmacovigilance is the concept which are used to prevention of the ADR. Thank you.